duck who was wise and full of thought. He said, your teeth need care, brush them daily, little duck fair. Quack, quack, don't be scared, the dentist is kind and cares. We brush our teeth every day to keep them white like stars that stay. No more sweets all the time, sugar harms the beak that's prime. The duck replied, now I've learned, I'll brush my teeth at every turn. Quack, quack, don't be scared, the dentist is kind and cares. We brush our teeth every day to keep them white like stars that stay. Now her teeth shine bright and neat. No more pain, no bad smells meet. Twice a day like champions do, keeps your teeth strong and new. Come back here. One by one, they all came fast. 5 little ducks home at last. Hey! Running the end. Hey! One fine morning, up so bright, yellow duck took off in flight, flapping wings so full of cheer, off to India far and near. Quack, 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 let's explore India's wonder so much more. Taj Mahal so big and white, shining in the moon so bright. Hopped on a train, oh what fun, saw the red fort in the sun, golden temple shining gold, stories from the past so bold. Quack, 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 let's explore India's wonder so much more. Palaces and forts so grand, magic places in the land. Flew to Jaipur, pink so bright, city palace, what a sight. Climbed up high on an elephant's back, smiling wide, never looked back. And tigers roar and peacocks dance, yellow duck got lost in trance. India's colors, sounds and lights made his heart feel oh so bright. Quack, 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 time to go, but I love India, don't you know? I'll be back, just wait and see, more adventures wait for me. Bye bye India, off I fly, waving wings up in the sky. See you soon, I'll come back fast with memories that will always last. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, seasons change, let's sing together. 1, 2, 3 and 4, round and round forevermore.
Flowers bloom, the bees all buzz, raindrops fall, the grass goes lush, birds are singing chirp chirp hooray. Spring is here, let's go and play.
Sun shines big, the days are bright, ice cream melts, take a bite, splash in the water, laugh and run. Summer days are full of fun.
The leaves turn red, orange and gold, the air gets crisp, a little cold. Jump in piles, hear them crunch. Autumn time is fun for lunch.
Snowflakes dance and fill the air. Wear your coat, the cold is here. Fill the snow and slide so fast. Winter time is such a blast.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter,
Seasons change, let's sing together.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun songs.